Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to answer a question from a student, and while I'm at it, I'll record the process to share with you all here on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. A student recently sent me a sleeve pattern. I don't know where they got this pattern from, but it is likely something they found online. And they want me to show them exactly how to create this sleeve using the Optitex software. At a first glance, you will see that this sleeve has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pleats in total. For each of these pleats, I have already messaged the student to ask how wide they want each individual pleat to be. This is because I can't see what the finished product looks like after it has been sewn together. That is why I asked for the specific width each pleat needs to be. So if you observe closely, you will notice that this sleeve isn't just widened at the top and at the upper arm area. It also raises this part up as well. It also raises up this whole part here as well. They cut this section here, is that correct? Then they divide it into 5 lines upward, and they carefully spread the pleats out. At the same time, it will automatically lift the upper portion of the sleeve upward. And like this, it will give the sleeve some gathering at the top. And at the same time, it lifts and puffs up. So now we will proceed on the Optitex software. First, you need to have a sleeve block like this for me.
Hello and a warm welcome to everyone. My name is Chuti Thao. I am currently working at a foreign company that specializes in producing women's fashion. I have a long-held dream of owning my own professional sewing workshop and a deep passion for fashion design so I can create and produce my very own fashion items. That's why I have always sought out ways to develop myself. One day by chance I was browsing YouTube and came across a page by PDS that specializes in training sewing skills. So I decided to look into it and found that this page was very practical and suitable for me. That's why I registered for a course at PDS, specifically the fashion design course on Optitex. In this course, I was trained, I was guided in the traditional and standard methods of professional pattern making. And from those standard pattern making methods, I was able to successfully develop my own unique fashion patterns. I also learned the intricate techniques for layout planning and the systematic grading of patterns, and from there, I could accurately calculate the total fabric consumption. After completing the entire course, I went from being a simple sample sewing worker to becoming the proud owner of my own small-scale sewing workshop with about 10 people. I was also able to produce beautiful fashion designs that I created entirely by myself. Achieving the success I have today is truly thanks to teacher Dinh Duy Cuong, who directly taught and supported me throughout the whole learning process. On this special occasion, I would like to express my deepest and most sincere gratitude to teacher Dinh Duy Cuong and the entire dedicated teaching staff at PDS Academy. I also wish the teacher and all the instructors at PDS Academy continued good health and much more success in their professional careers. Hello everyone, and
We'll determine the point where we want to lock in, for example, right here. From this image, I can see the location of this checkpoint. There, from up here down here. I'll see what the verdict is. Here, I thought it would be about this size. I'll try to measure how far it is from up here down to here. Here, it's about 26 centimeters. I'll double check on this side. So, I think 26 centimeters should be just right. Next, let's observe. There are 5 glasses here, right? And we've determined that each of these glasses will be spaced out by 1 unit. So you'll go into the command like this. Here, you'll look in this DAT section. There's a command called DAT by pivot, okay? So now if you want 5 glasses and you want to space them evenly, right? First, you'll need to divide the distance from this point to this point for me. That's it. Here, for example, if you want 5 glasses, you'll set 5 points for me. And each of these positions, that's it. If you want to be careful, you can drag the ruler lines over here like that. Alternatively, we can also do it another way. It's fine to do it freely because all you need to do is lift the end of the bar up, right? So now you'll go into this command. there. So first let's establish a specific point right in the middle here. Look, we'll take a point right in the center here. We'll pick one point here, and then we'll securely lock it to both sides. So here, there's a command called data_pivot. We'll click on this top point, then we'll click on the point at the end of this cup, and then we'll click on the two edges on both sides to set the limits. Now, slowly move your mouse cursor. See, as you move your mouse, you'll notice this area opens up, right? It opens up like a cup. And at the same time, it also raises the starting point up. If you want to raise it by a specific amount, just left click. At this point, a dialog box will appear. If you want to raise it by 3 centimeters, simply type the number 3 into this field. Or if you want 4 centimeters, type 4 here. Then our cup will open up by 3 centimeters, and at the same time, it will also lift up for us. Now click OK, and you'll see that this handle has been widened by 3 centimeters and lifted up, right? Next, you can go ahead and open up the very next cup right here. See, you can open the next cup right here in front of you. You can open this cup easily. Just left click exactly 3 centimeters. Have you got it? And you can easily open the cup on this side. Since this side is slanted down here, you should select it a bit higher up here. Then you open it like this, about 3 centimeters. There, the next cup is located right here. You should select the cup a bit higher up here as well. Just keep selecting like this, and we've already opened up this handle, opened the first cup of the handle, and we've lifted the handle up. As for the handle tip, it really needs to be smoothed out at this specific part. It shouldn't have sharp square edges like this. So we'll use a tool to round it off, and the tip of the handle will become rounded right away. And as for these cups, after we're done, we'll delete them. And this part of the handle side also needs to be deleted. And if you want me to continue sharing on the Gerber software, how would that be done? How would it be done on the Cloud 3D software? You can leave a comment below this video. In the next video, I will demonstrate on other software for you to refer to. And this is also one of the topics covered in the Optitex software course. If you're interested, you can go to Google. First, type the keyword here, online.pdf. Then navigate to the official PDF Fashion Academy website and carefully look for this specific course section. If you are interested in the professional Optitex software course, you can find various courses on Optitex software right in this section. Here, this comprehensive Optitex software application course is perfectly suitable for those who are currently making patterns by hand on paper or using other types of software. Similarly, with other courses, for example, if you want to check them out, you just click on the course and you can read the information here. You can read here to find out who this course is suitable for. And if you scroll down, you'll see the lessons listed below. And when you register, I will provide you with an account so you can access all of these lessons. And if you need further advice, you can message me on Zalo using this phone number. Or you can contact me through my personal Facebook page, Dinh Duy Cuong. I will then advise you so you can study exactly what you want. And at this point, please remember to subscribe to the channel to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Goodbye everyone, and see you in the next videos.